ganitong oras na pero mainit pa din. Naka 4 yung lakas ng hangin ng aircon ko. Mainit pa din. Pero mas okay na to kaysa naman yung tirik yung araw talaga, as in. Ang hindi ko alam is paano kami aalis ng mga bata bukas kung sobrang init. Kalimutan ko kasi i-check kung anong oras yung laruan dun sa Donkey. Pero gusto kasi daw nila sa labas na park. Yung init eh. Oops. Kuha tayo ng basket. For market. Sabi yung kidlat to sunod-sunod. Grabe naman ako. Sobrang tamis na yun. Sigurado ako. Presyo ng mansanas. Yung sarap to guys, pero parang maasim. Pero okay lang. Kasi ang mahal yung ito. Laki yung misong na ito. Ayaw ni Kemi ng masyadong malalaki. Ito na lang. Bawang 98 105 with tax. Alam nyo guys, ang tagal ko nang hindi bumili ng veggie. Ngayon lang naubos. So wala. Bukas pa yung Daiso. Punta ko doon. Punta tayo ito mamaya. Hanggang 9 pala yung Daiso dito. Tapos kung walang pula, ay pula, black. Sinunod siya ng beef ngayon. Pero parang wala yung pula. Not that. Ito, okay. Masarap tong natchang na to. Orange. Sige. Kuha tayo nito. Ito sana gusto ko pang muscat. Kaya hindi ako nakain. Gusto ko nang pumili ng ganito kasi sila Papa tsaka si Noah nainom ng gatas. Ngayon walang nainom. Parang gusto ko nang lagyan ng ganito yung pan. Ito tayo nitong syrup. Sarap yan. Then baka gusto rin ng mga bata. Gusto yun ang gusto kong potato. Yes, wow. Sarap yan. Naman nito. Si Uno mahilit dito. Kaya lang anong balaman nito? Afro. Masarap sana kumain ng chichirya. Kaso lang wala akong kasama kumain. Sarap mag-ano sana. Si mama kumakain ito lately. Lagi nandito yung country, ma'am. Ayan. Kasi favorite to ng dalawang bata. Ay! Magalaw ko pa. Kasi hindi kami. This one, ito yung nahanap kong refill. Pero 500 na po. May nakapack nito eh. Ay, this one. Ah, body soap naman. Body wash. Ito kasi hand soap. Ang mahal pa sa rin. Kaya lang. Baka pupunta ako ng Wednesday. Doon na lang ako. Magkano na naman to? Ganyan-ganyan lang. Yan, mahina 5,000 dyan. Betchin, bakit wala? Usually nandito yun. Bubulag lang ba ako? Teka. Wait. Taga. Mahirap hanap. Alam ko mahirap talaga hanapin yung betchin dito. Kasi nandito siya, guys. Oh. Nasa mga Ajinomoto. 1,000, grabe naman yun. Dalawa na. Kasi nung naubusan ako nito, parang hindi masarap yung luto. Ang ano ng face ko sa ibabaw, pero dito, pababa sa bibig, grabe yung pagbabalat niya. So, let's go na. Ito tayo sa Daiso, guys. Ang cute ng mga plants, oh. Kaso, wala tayong ano. Ang ganda. Grabe magaganda dito sa Daiso talaga. Ang cute. Wala pa. Ito, oh. Wala, babasagin talaga siya. Ayun. Wala dito yung gusto ko. Puro jasmine to. Bakit gano'n? Bakit walang sabon? Puro jasmine. No. Puro jasmine din. Bakit ganyan? Why you like that? Cute ng pakit lahat ng ano dito sa Daiso. I never. Guys, kailangan ko to dun. Ay, 300 naman. Oh. Ito 200 kanipis. Ito lang cute. Aesthetic. Yun, 200 din. Parang ito lang yata. Kasi maliit lang yung ano. Maliit lang yung size ng upuan. Siya lang parang, ay hindi. Hindi naman siya ganun kanipis. So, dito tayo. Oops. Ang daming organizers as usual. Pang pets. Organizers. Tigti 300. Trash can. Sinong may trash can na ganito? Alam ko may nakita akong ganyang trash can. Not sure kung saan. Ilan ang hanger nila dito? 5. Hakin. Nung sa binibili ko sa trial, 199, 10. So, mura pa din sa trial. Alam ko may bibili na akong panglinis eh. Hindi ko na naman nasulat yan. Hindi ko na naman ito maalala. Nakalabas na po tayo dun sa Daiso. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung mga dapat kong bilhin. Nga. Tayo. Grabe yung ano, kuyog. At kala ko kanina may hanabi. Pero init pa din, guys. Inabutan pa nga ng ulan. Ang lalaki ng patak niya. First time ko makakita ng kapitbahay. Nasa taas yata namin yun. Aray ka. Talaga namang bumuhos yung ulan. Grabe kasi yung kidlat kanina. Let's see. Ay! Ay, Diyos mio. O, diba? Vlog pa, muntik ay malaglag. Aray ka. My golly. Buti na lang hindi ko pinatay yung exhaust fan kasi ang init niya. Pakita ko naman yata lahat to kanina. So, ang binayaran ko dito is 6,000 yata kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So, yeah, ito lang guys. 6,000 na to guys.
Just hurry.
Ay.
It's not something men can control. I kept this friendship going because I thought Rex's dislike of you was paranoid, but you had feelings. Well,
Grabe yung balat ng face ko. Mag-export naman ako ng import naman ako ng vlog. Hey guys.
Hi guys, today we're gonna mommy. This one is for the empty.
Empty. Gusto daw nila ng itlog.
Are you ready? I just wanna egg.
We can read kanji.
Ooh, the house. Tita, there's a house.
Huh?
I want to go to the Disney.
Disneyland? How? Next time we will go. When it's not too hot, okay?
And me. Because if we go hot, we're gonna get like.
It's not gonna be fun.
No. It's gonna be hot. Oh no. But inside it's gonna be a little bit cold.
Yeah. But it's not gonna be really fun.
Why am I here?
Yeah. You don't like? Can I put the egg here or you want another plate?
I want
That's the
another
beef.
plate.
It's okay. You eat that. You want the eggs here or another plate?
I want another plate.
Okay. Okay, guys.
I'm gonna cook this.
Oh, it's okay. What?
A little one.
Oh, does it have? Do they have chicken little too? I don't think so. Parang masarap nga to dito sa beef, yung egg. Parang kasi rin siyang Yeah, sister? Tomorrow, where we will go? Where are we going? We cannot go outside tomorrow if it's too hot, okay? We'll get sunburned. Yeah. You want to go to Donkey? The playground there? There's a Daiso there. After you play, we can go there.
Because I don't have the thing to put in the eye.
Oh, the goggles.
Yeah.
Yummy, you eat po.
No, I'm cold and things like.
You want me to feed you? You want that beef? You want to try?
No.
Baby, you need to eat.
You're gonna be hungry.
Yeah. You're gonna get hungry. Uy!
No, I didn't do it.
Like that. Ay! You cannot. Okay. You will eat.
Oh, the chili!
Uy, you need to eat po.
No.
Yes.
No. Tita, I think the chicken little is sad.
Why?
Because it's water down.
You wanna try this, baby? Yes, please. I will give you tiny one. You can try it. It's yummy. It's beef. Yeah, sister? Sister liked it.
No.
You wanna go outside tomorrow and play? Yeah. That's why you need to eat.
But where's the dog? Where's the dog?
Duck?
The
We will buy tomorrow. I cannot find the duck.
What dog?
The one you play with the bubbles.
It's mine.
Okay.
It's not yours. Mine, not you. JJ, it's turkey.
That's why you need to eat. So it gets better. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy? I will feed you, okay? I will put it here. I will put the beef here, okay? Mommy said you need to eat alone. By yourself, pala. Okay?
Not ballerina.
Ballerina?
No.
Baby, I put here, so it's yummy.
No. So how do you eat it by yourself in your school?
Yeah, that's a good question, sister.
No.
Okay, then tomorrow, we will not go to Daiso, okay?
And you
We will not buy your toys.
and mommy got mad at you.
Yeah, she will get mad at me if I feed you. Eat mo ko? You're not ugly. Who said you're ugly? No. Tell them I'm not ugly. I'm beautiful.
Did you tell that to mommy?
You don't tell other people they're ugly, okay? That's not nice.
Your mom.
You need to gargle later, warm water with salt.
Parang lasang gravy na tuloy itong sabaw.
That's blue.
You like color blue? Pinilang ko sila nito sa
I want a
7-Eleven.
blue one.
Show the camera. Show them.
I want.
Who's this?
I don't know.
This one.
My Melody.
How about this one?
Hello Kitty. I want the pink one. This one.
Okay. I will put it back, okay?
It's not pink. My hair.
Is it?
Black.
It's brown.
Thank you. Thank you.
What do you? Huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah,
Want me to help you?
it's hard.
It hurts your finger. Here. I need you to drink water, okay? Show them the chocolate.
Oh my God! I choose a cinnamon roll. This one is a cinnamon roll, and I get for Auntie. This is for Tita, and now this is for Tita. One for you.
It's okay. I don't want to eat chocolate.
And now I love Tita. Oh, it's not black here.
It's right. Kiss mo ako. I love you.
I want my Lola.
Oh, you sit down first.
Okay.
Don't want Chicken Little anymore? Oh, the cell phone?
Ah, this one I want. I'm scared. I don't like her.
You don't like that?
It's okay. I like. He's coming. No. Don't jump anything. Don't jump in anything. Girl ugly, huh? Girl ugly? Ah, you're not ugly, huh? You need a bag. Oh, Mommy Lola's shotgun. Mommy Lola's my shotgun. Oh, Lola's shotgun. She's crying.